Greetings children. This is continuation of the second video. First chapter relations and function. Under that exercise 1.1 question number 3. If b cross a equal to minus 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, minus 2 comma 4, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 4, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, find a and b. In the previous problems we learned how to find the Cartesian product for two sets. But here answer has been given. You have been asked to find out the elements. What are the elements which is present in A and B? Since it is given B cross A, first element represents the B set. Second elements represent the A set. So now we need to find out what are the elements which is present in B and what are the elements which is present in A. Listen here. First we'll write B set equal to, what are the elements, Sima? B sets denotes the first element. B set is nothing but the first element. You have to write all the first elements. See, minus 2. The next it is minus 2. Next it is 0. Next is the first element is 0. Next the first element is 3. The next first element is also 3. Here we no need to write the repeated element twice. Only once we can write it. That is enough. See, the first element is minus 2. Comma. What is the second first element in the second ordered pair? Minus 2. Already we have written minus 2. So we don't want to write it again. The next ordered pair 0. The next ordered pair, the first element is 0. Comma. What is the next element? 0. So we don't want to write it again. Next it is 3. Next, the next element is 3. So we don't want to write it again. So the elements in the B set is minus 2, 0, 3. Next we'll find out what are the elements which is in A set. Look at here, B cross A. So second elements denote the second element. All the second element in the ordered pair are the elements of the set A. So A equal to, what is the first second element in the first ordered pair? 3, comma. Listen here, 3. Next it is 4. What is the next second element in the third ordered pair? 3. So we don't want to write it again. Look at the next second element, 4. So we don't want to write it. Already we have written this. Look at the next one. It is 3. So already we have written. No need to write it. Look at the next ordered pair. The second element is again 4. So we don't want to write it. Therefore, the elements which is present in the set A is 3, 4. Okay. Next, we'll see the fourth problem. Next, look at the question. If A equal to 5, 6, B equal to 4, 5, 6, C equal to 5, 6, 7, show that A cross A equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. So here you have to prove the LHS part separately and you have to prove the RHS part separately. At last you have to show that both the answers are equal. So first we'll take the LHS part. LHS part is A cross A. So A element is 5, 6. So first we'll write A equal to 5, 6. So A cross A equal to 5, 6 cross product 5, 6. Already I have taught you how to take the cross product for two sets. So we'll write it again. We'll write it once. So the first element it is 5. So we have to take the cross product with the next set. So first one it is 5, 5. Next one it is 5, 6. Next it is 6, 5. Next it is 6, 6. So the cross product for A cross A equal to 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. Mark this as equation 1. This is LHS answer. Next we'll write the RHS part. RHS part is B cross B intersection C cross C. Here you have to find out the Cartesian part separately for B cross B, and you have to find out Cartesian part separately for C cross C, and then at last with that answer you have to take the intersection. So first we will find out B cross B. What is B, ma? B, it is 4, 5, 6 cross product 4, 5, 6. So now you have to find out the Cartesian product for two sets. So first we'll take the 4 and then we can write ordered pair with the second set. So it is 4, 4, 4, 5. Next it is 4, 6. Next we'll take the 5 and we'll write the order pair with the second set. That is 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Next take the third element, that is 6. So 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. This is for B cross B. Next you have to find out C cross C. First you write the elements in the C set. C set, the elements are 5, 6, 7. So 5, 6, 7 cross 5, 6, 7. Write the Cartesian product. So 5 to 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7. Next it is 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7. Next 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. Write it, children. Don't see here, write it by yourself. So 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7. Next it is 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7. Next it is 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. Now in the RHS part, now you have found out what is B cross B and what is C cross C. Now in the RHS part you need to find out B cross B intersection C cross C. Intersection is nothing but you have to write the common elements which is in B cross B and C cross C. Now first you take the B cross B. What is the first element? 4 cross 4. Check whether you have any 4 cross 4 here. No. Next 4 cross 5. Check it in C cross C. You don't have. Similarly 4 cross 6. You don't have here. Look at this 5, 4 which is in B cross B as well as in C cross C. Same way 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 4 you don't have. 5, 5 you don't have. So it is not a common element. 5, 5 you have. Next it is 5, 6. Next you don't have 6, 4. Next you have 6, 5, 6, 5. 6, 6, 6, 6. Listen here. 4 ordered pairs are common both in B cross B and C cross C. Listen here. 5, 5 is in B cross B as well as in C cross C. 5, 6 here also you have. Here also you have. Similarly 6, 5 you have here. You have here also. 6, 6 here also in C cross C also you have. So intersection is nothing but writing the common element. So what are the common elements? 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. This is your RHS part answer. So with this RHS part is over. So mark this as equation 2. Now we have to show both the LHS and RHS are equal. Now check the LHS part. LHS part and RHS part are equal. Check whether A cross A and B cross B intersection C cross C answers are equal. Yes, both the answers are equal. That is equation 1 equal to equation 2. Therefore, A cross A equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. That is, therefore, the answer, therefore, we proved the answer LHS equal to RHS. That's all, children.